How to fix Doordash we are unable to charge your card error. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Doordash we are unable to charge your card error. Now, if you are facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now tap on the apps option. Then scroll down and find the Doordash app over here. Then tap on that. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Then tap on the clear cache option over here. Once that is done, you want to open the application and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the payment methods option. Now what you want to do here is simply remove your card over here. So if it is a debit or credit card, go ahead and remove that payment method. Once it has been removed, you want to again tap on the credit/debit card option, then re-add your card over here. So go ahead and enter your debit or credit card number, then enter the expiry date. After that, you want to enter the CVV number over here, then enter your postcode. Now tap on the add card option. Once you have re-added your card, you want to check if your problem has been fixed. If it is not fixed, you simply want to reinstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall option over here and then install this app again from Play Store or App Store and then check if your problem is fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.